Hi everybody, Bonnie Lee. Hey, I'm on the Silver Wind, part of the Silversea fleet. I'm on the Silver Wind, part of the Silversea fleet, and I'm in Antarctica. We're crossing the Drake, so that's why there's a little movement going on here. But I'm here to help you understand how the whole excursion process works when you're doing Antarctica with Silversea. First of all, there is no signing up for specific excursions. When you get on the ship, every passenger is put into a Zodiac group. And as the excursions are ready to go out, they will call a specific group. They'll tell you what time, and then you know exactly where to go. So no need to worry about missing out. Everyone has the ability to attend every excursion. Now the next thing is like, what do I wear and how does it work? Well, of course, we are in Antarctica. The weather can be unpredictable. Today it's kind of shaky. So if you see me doing the Weeble Bob, it's because today is kind of a shaky day on the sea. So I started with a long underwear layer, both for my bottom and my top. And I have a good pair of socks on down here. Keep those feet warm. If your feet are warm, the rest of your body's probably warm. So then from there, I went to a pair of pants like this. And these are water-resistant pants that I brought from home. So you're going to put these guys on. Let's see if I can do it without tripping. And mine have zippers on the bottom, just part way up the leg, kind of to give me, and do a little dance so you can get them all pulled up. But here's the zipper, and you can zip or unzip depending on your comfort level. And as you put more layers on, if you need those zippers up or down. Okay, so now I got that done. Now we chose to rent the waterproof pants, so we didn't have to bring them along with us. I'm going to put these guys on. And these I love, and I'm going to show you because they have amazing zippers and buttons. It's a little tight here because I got a lot of pants on, but look at, here are the buttons and zippers on both sides. And you're going to see in a minute why those zippers are very, very important. Now up here on the top half, of course, Silversea gives you this fabulous parka. And what I love about the parka is lining, and here's the parka. I chose to take the lining out and put the lining on first. And do a quick, oops, hold on, I think I got it on back in the front. Hold on. Nope, it's right. Well, you know, that's the joy of getting ready for an excursion. Okay, so now I have my inner liner on. I'm going to put the parka on like this. And this then, whoops, is going to get zipped up. Let's see if I can do this quick enough for you. Okay, now unzip it. Great pockets on this part as well. Now you're going to have headgear to keep your head warm. So typically what I did, I have longer hair. I tied my hair up here at the top so it just wouldn't get in the way. And I have a neck gaiter that I can pull up and put over my nose, because when you're in the Zodiac, there's often times where the wind is really blowing, or for that matter, when you're doing a trek on land, that can get a little windy and get a little dicey. So this stuff goes on. Then, of course, you need a hat. I brought a good hat from home. So this guy goes on. And now I'm ready to be called. And now I'm ready for the call to say Zodiac number, whatever my Zodiac number is, and I might head down. But we'll probably work. But there's some other cool things that I think you can think about that will make your excursion even better. I have these hand warmers that I just bought online. You turn them on, they have low, medium, high. And I put them in my pockets. So if my hands get a little cold, I can just pop them in there. Got my gloves? Of course you gotta have your gloves. Take your trekking poles and they will let you know if you need your trekking poles on the excursion. And where did I get these? These I also rented. Of course you can bring your own, but I opted to rent them. And you also get this. I put my phone in here for my camera, very water resistant, and it goes over my head. So now I have my camera, I have all of this. Then this guy comes up, and this part of me is ready to go because this can go up. Right inside of here, this is where you can put your room key, where I keep my room key, because every time you go on an excursion, you check out by just going like that, and then when you come back, it's another one of these. I did also bring goggles just in case. The problem with these was that I felt, the problem with these guys, they did get pretty sprayed, but a tip. Take a washcloth from your room and stuff it in your pocket, and that way you can keep your goggles nice and clean so you can see. I'm not going to put those on right now. Oh, stay right there because I forgot one thing that's very important. Don't move. I got the life jacket. Everyone has life jackets in their room. This is the life jacket that you wear down to the excursion area. It's actually called the mudroom. So this you're gonna wear as well. Hopefully you have a partner to help you get dressed. It's very key to put your hood up over the back of this before you head to that mudroom. The mudroom, there's a lot of things going on. And then this guy gets clipped right here. Okay, now when you go down to the mudroom, always a great suggestion, it's hard to bend, I'm going to tell you that right now, to put on comfortable shoes that would get you down to the mudroom and back up. So now, with my poles in hand, my key card to get out, and all my other garb, I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna trek down to the mudroom when it's my time. And when you get to the mudroom, that's where you put on your boots. And you are always required to wear the boots. And again, that's something we did rent. And let's pretend I'm in the mudroom now. And these are your waterproof boots. And this is where you're going to find out why this zipper is so important. See if I can do this up here. You're going to drop your foot in. This guy comes down, zip, like that. And guess what? At this point in time, I'm very hot, of course, but at this point in time, you are ready to walk out of the mudroom, get in line to jump on a Zodiac adventure that you, quite honestly, will never forget. So I really hope this gave you a great idea of what layers you can bring and probably what you should bring and all the excitement that is waiting for you. Penguins, whales, and birds like you will not believe. Hope you have a great day. Bye.